Hello, hi everyone. Today we are gonna talk about NTC Thermistors. So the NTC Thermistor is a temperature sensor which is changing the resistance in based of the temperature. So in the end of this sensor we have a small resistor which is sensing the temperature itself, and I'm gonna plan to connect to an Arduino Uno, which is a brand new, and I want to read the temperature of the room, of some component, or it can be some pipe, whatever. I just want to be able to read the temperature from this sensor. First things first, we have to understand what is the resistance inside of that thermistor, because we have to create a bridge, we have to create the contraporter from a normal resistance. And if it's a PTC or if it's an NTC sensor, you can verify that by measuring the sensor itself. It's pretty practical. I'm putting that to 200 kilo ohms, and once I'm trying to measure the the resistance, you can clearly see it is around 10 kilo ohms. And let me put the wire around the measuring sensor, around the measuring cable, and if I touch the sensor to generate some heat, the resistance will fall immediately. So if it is falling, then we are talking about an NTC, a negative sensor. If it's a PTC, then it would move the resistance in the positive direction if we are talking about a PTC sensor. So that is pretty simple. So we have to find the contraporter from the resistance itself. I have a couple of resistance. Let me try to find the 10 kilo ohm resistance. So as you see, all of them are labeled, and 100 ohms, 20k. What's that? No, that's 1k. 10 air, 10 air. Okay, so I will be back in a minute. So here it is. That's a 10k as it marked. They are the color signs of the resistor as well. So we have to use only one of them since we have one sensor. So we have the thermistor and we have the resistor, which is having a fixed value. Just let's measure it to be sure that that is 10 kilo ohm. Where is the other end of that border? And we have 9.9. Good. So from wiring aspect, I will use a simple breadboard to test my thermistor and the wirings. What I will do is I will put one end in the breadboard and then other end in the other position. Just let me pull out the cables a bit here, and there. So the two wires are connected. I have an Arduino Uno, and we have the resistance here, So as you see, the one pin of the thermistor and one pin of the resistor, it has been interconnected. So I will connect that leg to the 5 volt. So this end of the resistors, and it will join to the 5 volt in the Arduino Uno. So that is the 4th pin over here. Yep, so that's in the 5 volt. And the other end of the thermistor should connect to the ground, which is next to the 5 volt. And we'll connect the signal to A0, which will connect to the middle pin of the thermistor. So that's the other pin of the thermistor and the leg of the resistor. So this is our wiring diagram. So since in my last project I have used an Arduino Leonardo, and now we are talking about an Arduino Uno, and there is also a COM port which is different. So let me change and search for Uno. It's a very simple Uno, and we have to use a basic analog read analog voltage value as read. So compiling, uploading, it's done. And let's see in the serial monitor, it is reading 2.67 volt, which is good. And now if I'm touching the sensor, let's see what happens. Okay, the voltage is dropping. So the voltage is dropping, which is very good. So it is time to create the code and beautify the information over here in degree of Celsius or in degree of Fahrenheit or in Kelvin, whatever. So it's time to write the code, and you will find a lot of codes on over the internet, so it's not a big deal. But anyhow, I will leave the code in the description below, and let me clear that part out. But the first things first, and the most important thing is to like and subscribe to my channel. So I will speed that part a bit up, and I will leave all the definitions, all the variables, all the functions in the comments of that code. So let's make some minor adjustments, and we are fine to go. Compiling the code, downloading serial monitor, and it is reading the temperature. So at the moment I have almost 22 degrees in my room. Let's make some additional tests. So if I touch again the thermistor itself, probably I messed up the cable connection, and let's troubleshoot a bit. So which wire it has been not connected properly, or what has been disconnected? Yeah, I see. This wire is out. Let me reconnect. So, as you can see, this wire, it has been pulled. Once I touch the sensor, let me pull in again. For test purpose, it's totally fine. And the signals are back. So only carefully, let's touch. And the temperature is rising. So yeah, that's about it. Uh, if you would like to see similar videos in the future, please like and subscribe. And leave in the comments below what could I do it better for this video, and what can I learn for the next time. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.